Hi children, I'm back again. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is completely different from the topics before. Now this topic, we have not been talking about it yet. We have not done anything with this topic. So it's indices and the standard form, okay? Indices is the plural form of index, and the standard form, okay? Now, I put something here on board. We discuss this together, okay? Now, you look here, we have A here, and then we have N on top of it, okay? N on top, on the top right of it. Now, we look here, how to read this, okay? This is the way how you read it. A power N, okay? A power N. Now, later I'll tell you what is A power N. A here is our base number, okay? A is the base number or real number, okay? And N, this one here, on top here, N is the integer, okay? Integer is the opposite of the fraction, okay? So, once again, A is our base number and N is our integer. So, for example, if you want to work this out, so it means, for example, N is a certain number. N is a certain number. So we will multiply this A, the base number, following the N. Okay? If N is 2, then we will say A times A times A, 2 times. If N is 3, we multiply to 3 times. A times A times A, 3 times. Okay? Okay, I erase this so that we look at some examples. Okay? For example, we have A power 2 times A power 3. Okay? A power 2 times A power 3. So this means we multiply this A 2 times. So we have A times A. And this one, this multiplication sign we put here, this one, A times A times A, 3 times. Now, this one here, this first A here has 2 factors. And this one has 3 factors. Alright? 2 factors, 3 factors. Now, when you multiply something like this, you need to add the powers. Okay? You need to add the powers. So remember here, children, we have 2 factors here, we have 3 factors here. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay? 2 factors here plus 3 here equals 5. Remember, when we multiply something like this, we add the powers. Okay? So we have here, it's equals A power 2 plus 3 equals A power 5. Okay? A power 2 plus 3 is 2 here, 3 here, plus equals A power 5. Okay? Let's bring in some numbers. Okay? So we put our first example here. Okay, we use real number. Okay? Five power 3 times 5 power 5. So you do it 5 times. 3 times and 5 times. So what we have here is 5 times 5 times 5. Multiply this one here. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have 3 factors here. And here we have 5 factors. Alright. So what we have here, our base number 5, so we put 5 here. I told you, children, when you work with numbers like this, you multiply numbers like this, you add the powers, okay? So 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 equals 5 power 8. That's your answer for number 1. Let's look at number 2. We bring some more examples, okay? Some more questions. 10 power 4 times here. 10 power 4 times 10 power 6. 10 power 4 times 10 power 6 equals, you can do this the same, okay? Same like that. But let's cut it short. So remember, you multiply numbers like this, they have the powers here, you add the powers. So take the base number, base numbers are the same. So you put here 10 power 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10 power 10. Okay, 10 power 10. We cut short, okay? Instead of using all this way here, we cut short, okay? Once you understand the formula, okay, a power 2 or a power n, m multiply a power n equals a power m plus n. Okay, one more question, okay? So we have 25 power 6, okay, times 25 power 7. 25 power 6 times 25 power 7. Okay, remember this one has 6 factors. So this one 7 factors. We take 25 here. We put 25 here, our base number, our real number, and we add the powers. It's 6 here, 7 here. So 6 plus 7. 25 power 6 plus 7 equals 25 plus 13. Alright? 25 power 13. Alright, children, I hope with these 3 examples you understand, okay, the idea. Okay? Now I erase this. So we bring some more samples. I put the first formula here. So it's a power m times a power n equals a power m plus n. A power m plus n. This is your first formula, okay? Remember this formula, children? Okay, a power m times a power n equals a power m plus n. You add the powers, okay? Now we go to number 2. Okay, so this is number 1. We go to number 2. Okay. This in a power m divided by a power n equals, another way to write this is a power m over a power n equals a power m minus n. Okay? So if you divide like this, you subtract the powers. Okay, let's bring the example. Okay. First example of number 2. 25 power 7 divided by 25 power 2. Okay? 25 power 7 divided by 25 power 2 equals 25 power 7 over 25 power 2. Okay, this is another way to write this. You don't need to go through here, but sometimes some people prefer to use this, or sometimes we must use this to fit certain calculation. Okay, so I show you both ways. This one, remember the formula, power, okay, subtract the power. So 25 power 7 minus 2 equals 25 power 5. Okay, that's your answer for the first question. Okay, A. Right, now we go to B. Okay, 15 power 10 divided by 15 power 5 equals 15 power 10 over 15 power 5 equals 15 power 10 minus 5 equals 15 power 5. Okay, 15 power 5 is your answer for question B. So 15 power 10 divided by 15 power 5 equals 15 power 10 over 15 power 5 equals 15 power 10 minus 5 is 15 power 5. No. We go to the next question. We give one more question. I give 3 questions each, okay, to help you understand. Okay, we have 35 power 17 divided by 35 power 10 equals, we can go straight away, 35 power 17 minus 10 equals 35 power 7. Okay, equals 35 power 7. You can do this also, no problem. Okay, now these are the examples to how to work out formula. So children, don't forget, if you work with something like this, okay, division, okay, when you divide numbers like this with powers like this, don't forget to subtract the powers. Okay, don't forget to subtract the powers. So these are just basic division of numbers like this, okay, using this formula. But sometimes the powers can be negative, sometimes positive, and so on. Okay, so, but these are the basic questions to help you understand. Now we erase this so that we can put our second formula there. So number 2 formula here, A power m divided by A power n equals A power m minus n. Okay, A power m minus n. This is your second formula. Okay, yeah. Now I erase this so that we can have more. Now we go to number 3. Okay, we have A power m. Okay, we put in the bracket like this, children, and then we put n here. So how you read this? Okay, how you read this stuff here? So A power m to the power of n. I repeat one more time. A power m to the power of n. Okay, so equals A power m times n. So if you come across questions like this, something like this, don't forget to multiply the powers. Okay, A power m times n. Okay, now we look at the first example. we use numbers here. For example, we have 25 power 2 to the power of 3. 25 power 2 to the power of 3 equals 25 power 2 times 3 equals 25 power 6. Okay, it's easy, isn't it? Very easy. You can work this out easily. Okay, we go to the second question. 15 power 4 to the power of 3. 15 power 4 to the power of 3 equals 15 power 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So 15 power 12. That's your answer. One more question for this formula. $50 power 5 to the power of 2. 50 power 5 to the power of 2 equals 50 power 5 times 2. 50 power 5 times 2 equals 50 power 5 times 2 is 10. So 50 power 10. Alright children, we go through this one more time. So we have 25 power 2 to the power of 3. Okay, don't forget that's the way how you read it. 25 power 2 to the power of 3 equals 25 power 2 times 3. This 2 times 3 equals 25 power 6. Okay, second question. 15 power 4 to the power of 3 equals 15 times 4. 15 power 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 15 power 12. Okay, and the last question. 50 power 5 to the power of 2 equals 50 power 5 times 2. It's 5 times 2 equals 50 power 10. Alright? Okay, that's easy. Okay, isn't it? Okay, that's easy. Now, I put your formula number 3 here. So we have A power m to the power of n equals A power m times n. Okay, that is your third formula. Okay, now I erase this in order to bring one more number, the last one. So I put number 4 here. Okay, we have 4 power 3 times 2 power 3. Okay, 4 power 3 times 2 power 3. Okay, remember children, this has 3 factors. This one also has 3 factors. So we bring here 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Oh, sorry, that's 4 times 3. Should be only 3. 3 here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And then we put this multiplication sign here, this one here, and then we come to 2 times this also 3 times 2 times 2, 3 times. So here we have 3 factors. Here we have 3 factors also. So now we open bracket here. We take this 4 and this 2. So 4 times 2. We close the bracket. We open another bracket. We multiply this one. Multiply. Then we take this and this one. 4 and 2. 4 times 2. We close it. We open another bracket for the last 4 and the last 2. So 4 times 2. All right. Now, we have 3 factors here. Here we have 3 factors, okay? Don't forget, this is 3 factors, this also 3 factors. Now, how many factors we have here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, there is always power 1, power 1, power 1. Okay? So, we have here, we open the bracket, we take 4, our base number here, 4 times 2, 4 times 2, okay? Power 1 plus 1 plus 1. I put it like that, so you understand, okay? 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4 times 2, power 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 4 times 2, power 3. That is your final answer for this question, okay? Right. I bring one more example, okay? I hope you understand this. One more example. So this is A, now this is B. We have, for example, 6 times, 6 power 4 times 6 power 4 times 3 power 4. Okay, our base numbers, our real numbers are different, but our integers are the powers are same. Okay, so we use this, maybe not enough, so we put here 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, 4 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 4. And then this sign we put here, multiply 3 times also, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We have 4 factors here, we have 4 factors here. Okay, now we bring them together. This 6 and this 3. So 6 times 3. We close the bracket, we open another one for this one and that one. 6 times 3. We close the bracket, we open another one for this one and that one. 6 times 3. We close it and we open the last one, this one and that one. 6 and 3. Okay. Alright, we close it. Now, how many factors we have here? Here we have 4, we have 4. Okay, we combine, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Okay, just put that. Okay, right. So what we have here, 6, we take the base number are all the same, times 3 power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have here, 6 times 3 power 4. That's your final answer. Okay? Now, let's create a formula for this. Okay? We can create a formula for this. So we have, for example, here we use A power M times B power M equals A times B power N. Okay? A times B power M. This M. Okay? Now we erase this. We put the formula here. So 4. So A power M times B power M equals A times did I do? A times B power M. A times B power M. Okay, this is your fourth formula. Okay, A power M times B power M equals A times B power M. Alright, children, I hope with this explanation you understand how to work out all these formulas here. Okay, next time we will continue again. We still have few more things, and I think I will bring more questions for you to we practice together to show you how to work with these formulas. So thank you very much for watching, children. For those who have not yet subscribed for me, please do, and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you very much.